Long ago in ancient China, there was a fearsome monster named Nian. Every year, on the first day of the new year, Nian would emerge from the mountains and terrorize the villages. He would destroy homes, eat crops, and frighten the people. One year, a wise old man came to the village and told the people that Nian was afraid of three things: the color red, loud noises, and fire. The villagers quickly decided to fight back. They hung bright red decorations on their doors and windows, hoping to scare the monster away. They also lit fireworks, creating a loud, explosive sound to frighten Nian. On New Year's Day, when Nian appeared, he was startled by the sight of all the red and the deafening noise of fireworks. Terrified, he fled into the mountains and never returned. The villagers celebrated their victory and joyfully continued the tradition of decorating in red and lighting fireworks to remember how they had defeated Nian. From that day, red became a symbol of good luck and protection, and fireworks were used to drive away evil spirits and bring happiness for the year ahead. Moral of the story: traditions are born from history and the wisdom of past generations, teaching us to face challenges with courage and unity.